guys, this is Shelley at Mesquite Trails RV Resort, and we are all the way through the first month in 2024. It's been a great year here. We opened in July of 2023, and since that time we have welcomed over 1,000 guests to Mesquite Trails RV Resort. This morning, a big crew rolled in here and poured the slab for our large event center that's under construction right now for phase 2. This area is also going to have a pool, pickleball courts, a playground, a dog park, a third laundry and bathhouse facility, and we're really excited because big groups will be able to roll in and hold their social time here in the event center. Kids can come in and play in the playground, the pool, and everybody loves pickleball, so we'll be able to do that too. So with phase 2 construction underway and scheduled to be completed this year, we hope you will consider us for your next RV vacation here at Mesquite Trails RV Resort. From all of us here, safe travels.